Are you concerned that your machinery risk assessment process is not compliant with current legislation? And have all safety measures been adequately put in place? I have assisted several SMC customers, both OEM and end user, with the setting up of a risk assessment system which meets current legislation and supporting standards. Risk assessment is a legal requirement for all manufacturers of machinery. SMC assists customers with the methods designed to mitigate risks, whether it's suggesting the use of correctly specified guards or the implementation of control systems and selection of components. We can help you with solutions using a wide range of SMC products. We had an OEM customer with a lack of understanding of the risk assessment process, which meant they were not adhering to legislation. I provided risk assessment training which equipped them with a methodology designed to identify and mitigate risks on their machinery. The customer gained knowledge to spot risks on their machines, and I was able to assist them with solutions that involved using SMC components within their safety-related control system. Another advantage for the customer is that they were now able to implement the risk assessment process at the design stage of the machine. Also, this translates to increased productivity, as it ensures that all machines are built to the correct safety specification from the outset. So, if you're interested in building safer machines and increasing your productivity, then please contact me directly. Follow us on LinkedIn for all the latest developments on our safety products.